Hey, that's a good point. Mommy, what time do we have to wake up this morning?
We got up at 3 a.m.
3 a.m. So if you want to go on this tour and you want to come first thing in the morning, you got to get up early.
Yes.
Because didn't we have to meet like at 4:15 or so at a park?
4:15 at the park.
We got in this boat. We didn't meet it down at the water, did we?
No, we didn't.
No, we went to a park and then they just drove up the boat on the trailer and we had to get in on a 10-foot ladder, didn't we? But
You'll have to take pictures of it as we disembark.
Yeah, they do other tours though. He comes out like 4 times a day or so.
Yeah, I think so.
So you don't have to come out first thing in the morning. You can come. Now you did this before. What time did you have to meet him? What was it? 5 o'clock.
It was 5:30.
5:30 in the afternoon.
In the afternoon, yes.
Okay. So then when you got done, it was about dark.
Yes.
And you came back.
But I had to come back and see it in the dark because it's just so spectacular.
Yeah, this was awesome. We came shooting across the water this way in the dark, pretty much. I couldn't show any of the time we were coming over because it was too dark. I couldn't run the video cam, could I?
No.
Now the sun is going to be coming up over here. Now we're hearing little bits of lava underneath the boat.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Bits of it float. That's kind of amazing. I never knew it would float, but there's certain little bits, chunks that come off. Yeah. The water at the edge. Sometimes you can see little bits of lava that are in the water that are floating. Black Sand Beach, get your heart out, Hana, Maui. Yeah. Look at that. There's people up there all along the road. A few people anyways. Pretty amazing. See all the bits floating? All that stuff's floating down there. And that's what was hitting the bottom of the boat. Look at all those pieces.
Ahoy, hoy, and
Wait, say that again.
Ahoy, hoy.
Two types of lava?
Yeah, and
Okay.
ahoy, hoy.
Yeah.
And
And what's the difference?
This is ahoy, hoy. It's smoother. See it?
A little bit lighter. More than happy to take any group photos. Make sure the lava is behind you when you do want that group photo. Any group photos up here? Give me pictures. One second. A lot of smoke right down that section. Sir, I can't have you there, so you gotta come back to this. Thank you.
There's one right here.
Yeah. See, there's a piece of lava right there. It's still steaming in the water, floating around. There's another one out there. Wow. This water is hot. A little bit hotter than a hot tub, isn't it?
It is.
It's about as hot as you. Almost. smells like sulfur. But so far I haven't had really any
See how
breathing.
smooth it was?
Yeah. Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this sulfur coming right at us. If you have a breathing problem, maybe, I don't know, you'd probably be okay. I mean, I have asthma every once in a while, but, got right in my eye.
That can't be good.
Probably not.
It's military helicopter.
Ooh. I have to take a Pro Air shot every once in a while on Maui when this stuff comes over towards Maui. Sometimes you can't even see Lanai from behind a harbor. And then I have to hit the asthma spray every once in a while. But so far, so good here. Haven't needed it just yet. Lava, it's a bit rough, kind of coarse.
That would be the lava.
And how come this stuff isn't coarse lava?
Because it's hoi hoi. It's the kind of hoi hoi.
They look like little ducks or something.
They do.
Look at that. That's steam you're hearing right there. Oh. That's the sunrise. It almost looks like a sunset. Yeah. Coming right up above the water. We'll turn around. We'll see. Look at that sun. The sun. Did you get the sun? That's okay. Oh, that's okay. Okay. You got some of those. That is awesome. That looks like a sunset, doesn't it?
Good morning,
Look
sun.
at that. Good morning, America. Wow. Yeah, at least get one. Wow. Right there. Hey, you can take a picture of that, or you can take a picture of this right here. Yeah. Look at that. Just running right into the water there.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Ah, that's beautiful.